Hey YouTube, this is Paul, and today I'm going to teach you how easy it is to propagate bamboo, specifically Philostachys nigra or black bamboo. Now this is a running bamboo and it's about 20 feet tall and in Southern California and about a decade old. Now I've done this many times and I've had great success. You can see my neighbors, we did this about a month ago and they're very, very healthy. So what you want to do first is obviously have some developed bamboo. In the case of Philostachys nigra, I would not recommend doing a new shoot that's green. I prefer to pick something older and almost darker, probably about something, I'm gonna select these today. So you can see they're darker, but they're not pitch black like this one. This is probably 6 or 7 years old. It takes several years in Southern California for black bamboo to get that black. So after you have some bamboo, now you want to go ahead and give it some water. You want to water it 24 hours in advance before you take your cuttings, or I guess here, before you propagate them. So what I like to do is I like to go up about 2 shoots or branches and then I cut it. That's my first step. So 2 branches. So again, look at this one. It's older and it's one of the few that looks pretty unhealthy, like it's gonna die. So I'm not gonna try to save that one. But this one looks much better. So again, I'm gonna go up 2 branches. So 1 branch is here. My second branch is here. And that's about 3 feet. I'm gonna cut that. It's harder than you think one-handed. There we go. Okay. So now that I've done that, let me show you the next step. Okay, so I ended up cutting 3. I'm gonna propagate 3 of these because they're so close together. Now, ideally, you could use a Sawzall or something like that, but in this case, I like to use a shovel. And I just need to get some roots. That's all that's really important. So you wanna make sure you get deep enough under some of the rhizomes and just get some roots. So see, that's 1. And you know what, this is really hard, so I'm just gonna stop talking and try to get the other 2. All right, I'm gonna get a Sawzall, hold up. All right, this should do the trick. So, I almost prefer that method, but as long as you have roots, you're gonna be okay. So let me show you the next step. Okay, so what I like to do is put it into a high quality potting soil. This has coconut coir and Fox Farms potting soil, pumice and vermiculite. It's my potting mix of choice. And that's about it. So I may choose to put a post with it or another piece of bamboo to keep it straight up. And then I put it in almost a full shade environment for a few weeks and I'll slowly introduce it to more sunlight. So there you go. That's about it. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.